Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a spinach dip bread bowl. First, choose a large, round loaf of bread, ideally 8 to 10 inches across. Carefully slice off the top to create a lid, then hollow out the inside, leaving a sturdy 1-inch thick wall. Don't discard those bread pieces, they're perfect for dipping later. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious appetizer. Now, let's gather our dip ingredients. You'll need 10 ounces of frozen spinach, thoroughly thawed and squeezed dry to remove excess water. Mix this with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of sour cream. For that classic flavor, stir in 1 packet of dry vegetable soup mix. Finally, add 1/2 cup of finely chopped water chestnuts for a delightful crunch. Once all your ingredients are ready, combine them in a large mixing bowl. Stir everything together until the dip is smooth and well blended, ensuring no lumps remain. Carefully spoon this creamy spinach mixture into your prepared bread bowl, filling it completely. For a lovely presentation, you can garnish the top with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika. To finish, place your filled bread bowl on a baking sheet. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees F for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bread is lightly golden and the dip is warm and bubbly. Arrange the reserved bread pieces and any extra dippers around the bowl. Serve this warm, inviting appetizer immediately for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.